that is a dashed outline, indicates the new size. Now the next topic is combining cell in a table. So we can combine two or more cells in a table to create a large cell. Combining cell is useful when we want to display a title. So steps are, first of all, select the cell that you want to merge. So I select this first row. After that, click on Layout tab, click, then click on Merge Cell button, this one. The cell combined together to create a one large cell. And for the deselecting, to deselect cell in a table, click outside the selected area. Next is splitting cell in a table. So we can split one cell into two or more cells in our table. So we can even split cell into columns or rows also. So steps are, click inside or select the cell that you want to split. So I want to select this one. Then click on Layout tab. Then click on Split Cell. So here you can select the number of columns and number of rows. So number of columns increase and decrease. I write down here 4 and the number of rows 2. Then click on OK. Now there are the 4 columns 1, 2, 3 and 4 and the 2 rows 1 and 2. So the next is split a table. So we can split one table into 2 tables if we want to enter a significant amount of information in one table. So steps are, click in the row which should appear as the first row of the new table. So I click here, then click on Layout tab, then click on Split Table. Now the next is formatting a table. Editing a table consists 10 topics. Now it's finished. Now next topic is formatting a table. It consists 4 parts, that is aligning the text in the cell, add shading to cell, then changing cell border and applying table style. So we can format the table to enhance its look and make it attractive. The first is aligning the text in cell. So we can enhance the appearance of our table by changing the position of the text in cell. So the steps are, the first of all, select the cell that you want to format. So I want to format this cell, so I select it, then click on Layout tab. After that, click on Alignment from the Alignment group. This is the alignment group and we can apply any alignment like this. So I want this one. So click on it. So Word applies the alignment. To deselect the cell, click outside the selected cell. So I click the outside. This example centers the heading in the cell. Now the next is add shading to cell. So we can add shading to cells to make them more appealing. So the steps are, select the cell or cells which you want to add shading. So I select this one first. Then click the Design tab. Click on it. Then click on Shading. There's an arrow. Click on it. Then the shading gallery appear, this one. So click on a color that you want. Let us suppose I want this color, this one. The word applies, then click on it. The word applies the shading to selected cell. Now next is changing cell border. So how we can change a cell border? So we can change the appearance of a cell border to make it more appealing and attractive. So click in the cell you want to add border. So I click. Next click on Design tab. Then click on down arrow of the line style, this one. select the any line, then click on the down arrow of line width, select the width of border line, then click on the down arrow of pen color, select the color of the border line, then click on the down arrow of borders. A border gallery appears. Click the type of the border from the gallery. I choose here outside borders. Click on it. Then the word applies the border using the selected line style width and the pen color to the selected cell. Then click outside the table to cancel the selection. Now the last topic of this chapter, that is applying table style. So we can format our table by assigning the formatting style that are designed specially for tables. Table styles offer a variety of design that includes shading and coloring, borders and fonts, etc. So click anywhere in the table that you want to format. Then click on Design tab. Click on Style from the table style list. This is the table styles, and click on the any table that you want. Word applies the styles. Let us suppose I want this one. So Word applies the style. So you can use the table style option by clicking on check boxes in this area. So I again repeat these steps. First of all, click anywhere in the table that you want to format. So click on Design tab. Then click on Design Style from the table style list. Choose anyone. Let us suppose I choose this one. Then click on it. Word applies the style. So we can use the table style option by clicking on check boxes in this area. So this is your chapter, Word Processor Tableau Presentation. Included 5 topics: Microsoft Word, table, creating a table, editing a table and formatting a table. So rest of the part of this chapter, like question, answer and book exercise, we will cover in next video. Thank you.